Hey guys, how you doing? We're Lance Fantasy Gaming. We're doing Patreon for Part 8 for 2025 for September for D&D Warhammer Proxies and Figures. I do have a Patreon out with 5 figures for $5 from last month and this month. Please go check it out, support the channel. So far, we pretty much went through everything of past month really quickly. So we're just going to show you the updates, going down the home page and a whole bunch of these Patreon as well as we go down. If you do enjoy it, great. If not, I'm sorry. You can watch the past Patreon video with all the links and stuff for it. That is really up to you. I am really exhausted. I just got a flu shot and a COVID shot, and my arms hurt. And I took a CBD gummy, so I am freaking out of it right now. So you got Tyrant Troll miniatures. Looks like we got like undead. We get a lot of freaking skeletons, and they all pretty much ending up looking the same. We also got Shuo on the peach one right now. I told him to make the boobs bigger. Uh, I should have told him how big they should make it, but it is what it is. Wicked looks like Invisible Man for it. I think this one was played by Henry and Mark Hamill. I don't know. I never watched it. I never really watched any of the black and white monster horror movies. I own all of it. I just never had a chance to watch it at all. But yeah. So we got Tanaki figure for September. We got Kogu Shibo from Demon Slayer, and we got M Bison from Street Fighter. And this I would like to have War from Darksider teaser. That'd be kind of cool to have. Let's see here. Lost miniature. Looks like more undead. Looks like they're like stitched together with skin and stuff. I do like the skull inside of his chest cavity. But that'll be kind of more generic as go. Britain's finest. That's probably good for like a proxy for uh, the old world. You got Suburban Publishing for this. You want Spelljammer? This is the place you want to get at for October update. It's got Gargoyle. Looks like a snake hound, and looks to be a witch, a orc witch, half orc witch. That's not that bad looking. Cobra, koi cobra, and gargoyle. Different positions of it as well. Marshall monster. This is just a fungal. They don't really have mouths though. I don't know why they give them mouths, but we got Witch's Familiar Cat, a whole bunch of things as well. But yeah, it's good. MZ4250. They do a lot of free middies for prints. So you got a Draco Lich or a Skeletal Dragon. And you can replace each of them from different of the chromatic dragons for it. You got Doppelganger as well. These are nasty things. Cal Studio for this month. They do a lot of good figures. Beauty and Danger. I don't know what this one's from. Oh, it's a spider. It's a spider yokai. That's actually pretty cool looking. We got the Spear of Justice. Don't know. Where we saw this is Monster Manual Mayhem. He uses for the old world for the Oriental thing as well. You may have to resize it because they do come pretty big to fit like other size minis for it. It's heavy. New system in progress, finished. They do a lot of lewd style, STL files. Just letting you know. We got Snorlax, and there's Joy. This is a one-page mini. These are like goblins. camo goblins. Got some dwarves, stuff like that. We also got Kohoku from Dr. Stone. This is for next month. Chung Li, Venomize Mary Jane, um, Baroness. I haven't watched the live action GI Joe. GI Joe fell off when I was a kid. It was mostly like people that were raised in the '80s. I was born like the end of the '80s, but I'm like more of a '90s child. This is World of Warcraft right here from Bite the Bullet, and that's kind of cool to have because I finally found out there's a 3.5 World of Warcraft module you can get. Monaco. Do not know where this is from. Magpie. I'm not gonna click on that. I'll click on this. Reserve Zones Endless. The police girl wearing a bunny outfit. That'd be kind of cool to have. The print never goes on. Driftport terrain. That's actually pretty good if you go do like a port setting for it. As Eris Grey Rat. I know the new season's coming out, I believe. I don't know when. I think this is Pugga Coast from Stellar Blade. Oh yeah, Tenchi figure has panties and stockings. No garter belt though. I know they have a new season out, I believe. I don't really know. I gotta go check. But this is good to have. October release for no. This is another good figure one too. Um, this is good if you want to like print a big one and just just put it out in the room. They're very detailed in many ways. Yeah, kind of a dark summoner. You can minimize this probably for 32, but you're gonna lose a lot of the details with it when they start cramming all those line and everything down to a particular size in many ways. ES monster, I think it's Psylocke. Feels like it's from the movie. For it, Ashley has Oreo. 3D art. I think this is for next month, I believe. No, this is the welcome one. Because I think I have all of these as well. Warhammer Proxy for the Primarch from 3D art. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Don't forget to scream, you are inferior on charge. The Eldar. I do like the Eldar chicks a lot. Pensky. If you're into Alien Earth, the show, they do a lot of stuff in here. I saw some that do the Alien Earth. Looks like Dungeon Pinups having Kickstarter for Laura Croft. I could care less. Mr. Modoc, they're doing RoboCop style for the orcs. You got the police beat down brutes. And I don't see RoboCop. Ganondorf on Nom Nom figure right now. I think this is the not the Tears of the Kingdom, but the Fall of the Kingdom. I forgot the last Zelda game that came out. I tried playing it. I just can't get into it. Kiba Monster, Venonet, and Venomoth. You got Corel. Titan Forge Mini. You got Tiamat. I think this is for October. Yeah, October release. They do a World of Warcraft, not World of Warcraft, D&D and Warhammer in many ways. So this is going to be pretty much D&D. That's a lot of mind flare to have in the game. I know this is compatible with one-page rules as well, so you may want to go check that out. But yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. I'll touch you guys next time. Bye.